Okay, another just a detailed video on the binary options video. Let me just run through it real quick because it's super simple. I'm going to be using my 1 minute, my 5 minute, 15, and my 30. 1 minute for entry, 5, 15, and 30, or 5, 15 to spot the trend, and 30-minute chart to confirm the overall trend. So once again, 1 minute for entry, 5 and 15 to spot the trend, and then the 30 to confirm the trend and to use that as the overall trend. So I'm gonna mark a couple cells here for you so you can see how I do this. Alright, so for a cell, what you're gonna do is on your 5-minute chart, you want to have an arrow alert, alright? And your green has to be above your red, and it has to be above the yellow. Okay, over here you got green above red above your yellow. Over here you got green above your red and above your yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart to make sure it's saying cell as well. So here we are over here, green above red above yellow. Right here you got green above red. It's under the yellow because it's the downtrend started right here, back here at this 2, so you're getting it in the middle of this downtrend. That's why it's up underneath this yellow right here. But you got your green on top of your red, which means sell, and then right here you got your green on top of your red, which also means sell. Okay, and this is broken down past 50, the yellow has, so it's in a downtrend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to, or I'm going to check my 30-minute chart to see if it's also saying sell. So right here we have green above red, and then your ADX is above 25. That's what's most important. On the 30-minute chart, the ADX has to be above 25. It has to be. So right here we got green above red, ADX above 25. Right here you got the red is on top of the green. The green has broken down past that yellow, so it's in a downtrend. When red's on top, it means sell. Also, your ADX is above 25. Right here, we want to sell. ADX is above 25. And then you got your green. Right now, the red is on top of the green, which also means sell. It hasn't quite broken up yet, so it's still saying sell. So I'm going to go back to my 1-minute chart. I'm going to enter all these trades for a sell to finish out the 30-minute candle. Let me do this one first. Okay, so right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to wait until you get your this white little arrow here, your ADX crossover arrow. Once you see that, you're going to take your trade right there. And it's 1900, so it's the top of the hour. So we're going to finish up the 30-minute candle. So your expiry is going to be 30. So 30 is right here. Here's 29. When 29 closed, you won your trade. Okay. Let me show you the other trades I marked for sells. Right here is for a sell. Since I'm back testing, this white arrow, it doesn't pop up back here because it just doesn't stretch that far back in the charts. So somewhere over in here you have taken your trade for the sell. I got my SMA crossover arrow right here, which the ADX follows right after. So you would have taken your trade somewhere over here. So we would just say right here. For a sell, and you would finish out that 30-minute candle. This is at 15:23, so that candle was going to close at 15:30. You take your trade here. Here's 29. 29 closes way down here, and you win. Okay. Over here, like I said, you're going to take your trade. Once that ADX crossover arrow pops up, it usually pops up over here at the same time this pops up. So you take your trade here, finish out that 30-minute candle. This is at 11:40. So that 30-minute candle is going to expire at the top of the hour. So top of the hour is right here. Here's 59. 59 closes way down here. You won your trade. I think I have one more. Was there one more over here? No, I think that was the last one. Okay. So I'm going to show you some buy examples. I'm going to go to my 5-minute chart. I need to show you a different currency, but let's use AUD USD. For some buy examples, let's see, we'll use this right here. We'll mark that. Let's see. We'll mark this one for a buy, and we'll mark this one for a buy. Okay, so whenever you get your arrow alert on your 5 minute, remember it has to say green under red. Green under red, green under red. But the green has to be broken underneath that yellow. It has to be broken across that yellow, or we're not going to take the trade, alright? So we're going to confirm with the 15-minute chart. Here's the 15-minute chart. Green under red. I'm not going to take this one just because it's not underneath that yellow like I want it to be, so I'm not going to mess with that. So right here you have green under red, and it's broken underneath the yellow, obviously. And on this one right here, you got your green under your red is broken underneath the yellow. And on the 30-minute chart, the ADX has to be above 25 unless the last signal right here, which is a 2, is above 25, because you're getting into the middle of this uptrend. That's what's underneath this 25. So as long as you have a 2 or 3 or 1 saying that your ADX is above 25, you're good to go. Also, look, you get your green underneath your red, and then this one's saying buy because the red is actually up underneath it. It's going to kind of pushing it up. So the green broke this red here, so it's in an uptrend. So you're going to go back to your 1 minute chart, and you're going to take your trade and finish out that 1 minute, that 30-minute candle. So you would have taken your trade probably right here. This is at 4:01, so that 30-minute candle is going to expire at 4:30. So 4:30 is over here. Here's 29. 29 close up here, and you would have won that trade for a buy. Over here, same thing. 1 minute chart, you're going to take your trade probably right here. Finish out that 30-minute candle. This is at 2:12, so it's going to expire at 2:30. Take your trade there, and 2:30 is up here somewhere. Here's 25, here's 29. So when 29 closed, you would have won that trade for a buy. So that's how I do it. Just make sure on the 30-minute chart that ADX is above 25. If it's not above 25, it's probably in the middle of a trend. So just look back and see if there's a 2 or 3 or 1 or something there, and the ADX will definitely be above that 25. So I hope that video helped a lot understanding the binary strategy, because it's super simple. You follow it that way, you're always going to win your trades. So